Hello and welcome. Again, my name is DeAndre Hudson and this is Design by Deuce. And this is part 3 of our series entitled Big Ideas. So in our first part, we created the visual identity. In the second part, we created the brand. And then in our third part, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing web design. So if you've been following me the last month, I've been doing longer videos on YouTube for this series Big Ideas and shorter TikToks about web dev. So this video is going to be a combination of the two, where we're going to take this brand that we're making and turn it into a website. And so as you can see here, I found just moved around some of the visual elements I've done, and I've just lined them up in a row so that we can prepare to make it into a website. Now we're going to move the tabs, monospace fonts, oops. But we're going to see that I have been doing some design for the website already. HTML, CSS. We have the menu up here, main logo, bridge the gap, it's really modern. And then how do we do that? So this is the landing page that we're making for the website. And all right, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna hop into Visual Studio Code and begin this process of web design. So I think I'm just gonna delete these and let's see what happens. I'm gonna cut, and we're gonna cut. Let's see, we can go ahead and delete. Yeah, move the trash. All right, so we're gonna start from scratch. We have a couple of images that we're gonna be using for this website. You'll see these images later on, but we're gonna start from the scratch. So we're gonna do main.html. We can close this out. Main.css. We're gonna put that right beside each other, and boom. We're going to shift one for the exclamation point and give us the basis for this this markup. Just prepared. We're going to add some spaces in there. In the head tag, we are going to link. I'm going to link main.css so that anything that we create in HTML and then we style in CSS, it'll be linked together. All right, so for here, we have a body tag. We're going to do body. And, ooh, do I have that font still? I probably don't have the font. But anyways, background color is going to be, what was it, 20 ED 23? I don't know. We'll find out in just a second. That's why we're in Illustrator. That's why we have Illustrator. Let's see real quick. Is that it? All right, that's gonna be it. All right, cool. Add a little hashtag, body, boom. We're gonna hop over to Chrome. This is a live server. And there we go. There we go. We're coding for real, baby. All right, so in HTML, what do we need first? We're gonna need a header. Inside the header, we're gonna have a nav. Inside the nav, we're going to have some hrefs. We'll say hashtag for now. We're gonna have about hrefs are link tags, 4 of them. So this is gonna be about, or about, home, careers, and contact. Let's see how it's looking in Chrome. All right. Not horrible. Let's style the nav a little bit. We're gonna say display inline. All right. I don't do a whole lot of live coding videos, so you have to excuse me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna Google search real quick, and then we're gonna find out how to do a Helvetica Neue in CSS. And then we're gonna grab this, and that's what we're gonna use. Paste that in the body so that everything that's in the body is going to be, Helvetica Neue. And there we go. Back to coding, we're gonna do, what is it, text styling? Text decoration, none. No, it's not text decoration, it is Stack Overflow is a programmer's best friend. Get rid of underline link CSS. Remove blue underline link. Text decoration none. Interesting. I'm gonna have to do it in the header then. What happened to VS Code? What? It just crashed? That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. Uh-oh, refuse to connect. So we're gonna make this full screen. Oh, this is the regular one, which I don't want. I want the copy. Because we're doing it from scratch for y'all. Right click it. HTML, right click, open with live server. We're back. Alrighty. Before that though, we're gonna have div.nav logo. Inside of here, we're gonna have a image tag, source, images, asset, what we're gonna say, width, we're gonna say 3 rims, and let's see if it comes out well. A little bit too small. 30 rims. A little bit more, 250. All right, so we're getting warmer. Oops, we'll just want to see, we'll just look at a mistake real quick. 100 seems better. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe 115. Nice. Okay. Align items. We're going to display flex. Margin auto. Comment out flex real quick. I haven't memorized every single CSS styling, but we're going to get this together and it's going to be clean once we get it done. Text decoration none, margin auto. I'm gonna have to cheat real quick. But before we do that, header, underneath the header we got H1. Bridge the span tag gap. There we go. H1 about to be like big as heck. Like text size about to be like, oops, 300 rems. Oh yeah, color too. Ooh, it's acting up with me. For real. Yo, way too big. We almost there. That's about where I want it. I think it was like 32. Yep, there we go. That's what I needed. We got some space that I don't want though. Some space that I don't want at all. Bridge the gap. And we're there. Remove the underline link and then let's find out. Change the color of one word in CSS. To color just one word. There we go. Where's the span tag at? Oops. Here he goes. And that color is going to be straight from Illustrator. Hopefully this video is, hopefully I'm making this video interesting and it's not like boring. All right. A little bit less. Oh, wrong one. This the one we're on. This the one we're on. Ugh. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But this is our goal right here. This video is just gonna cover like this top part. We're not doing all of it. We're not doing all of it. All right. Let's see. Let's go back to that. So we're gonna do nav, color, white. Text decoration, none. It's looking good so far, but I want to speed this video up a little bit, so I have to figure out how I actually did that first one. still. New window. I don't want to do a new window like that. Dang. Folder. Open that original one. Let's see what the style. How do we style that? Let's see, where's the nav at? Header. Ah. Let's see. Align items center. I see what we're doing. We need to style. We need to add a new class. That's what we're going to do. Let me see. I'm just clicking and holding Option, and we're going to do class equals nav item. We're also going to have a class of grow, but that's for much later. Well, not much later, a little bit later. Also, this video is 15 minutes, so I'm trying to speed it up a little bit. Let's see. .nav item, color, white, font size, to rem, text decoration, none, display, flex. Nice. Nav. Ooh. Space between. I know something with space between. What is it? Justify content. Let's see then. Maybe it's in the header then. Nav item. We're going to Command F so we can find nav. Right now I'm kind of cheating because I'm kind of copying it. And I didn't want to copy it. I just want to do it from scratch. I want to do it from scratch. But you can't always. Let's see, we're missing some sauce. We're missing some sauce. MT for margin top, 0. Perfect. Perfect. What are we doing? Why is the header messed up? Interesting. Header image margin auto. So what we did is it looks like called nav item. Oops. Like, what did I do? Because it took me a little bit to get this done, but I was very satisfied with the end result. Display flex. Line item center. Just like content space between. It's acting up with me a little bit. Just a smidget. Navlog will be the equivalent of header image. Which this is margin auto. We gonna move that a little bit. Header, H1, header, nav item, nav logo. Now I'm trying to see if I did something wrong. This part is going to be skipped at minute 2. I'm gonna just skip it. Okay, and we're back. And the problem was that the image logo or nav image header image or nav logo, whatever you want to call this, should have been separate outside of the header, outside of the nav, and the nav elements should have been separate. But okay, there we have it. Now, we're going to do grow. This, this I really just copied off of Stack Overflow. I was like, how do you make something grow? How do you make something grow as you hover? So I just Googled it on Stack Overflow. I'm gonna copy that, close that, go here, boom. Let's see if it works. And we're in there. And now this video is like, I'll record it for about 32 minutes, but it should be shorter once it's edited down. Okay, so we have our bases. That's it.